How's everybody doing? This is more of just to say hello video than anything. I have been out hiking just about every day, but nothing interesting to video. I've been fishing a couple of times, and I mean fishing, not catching, so there wasn't a video about that. But I have been visiting a lot of covered bridges. I've got a series about covered bridges coming up shortly. I've been to, I think, 7 covered bridges, or 6, and I've got about 5 or 6 to go. I was actually going to one this morning, and I drove up there, and I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but they have this, I forget if they call it a garage sale or yard sale or what. It goes on for like 800 miles, and it started right there where that bridge was that I wanted to make a video about, and I didn't want to deal with all the traffic and all the people around there, and there were vendors with tables set up with all kinds of stuff, and I didn't want to mess with it, so I just decided I'd come back down here and take this hike that I've been wanting to take anyway. But they were working on that boardwalk I showed you, or I'm going to show you. And so I'm just out here today taking a good hike, and I think this is Friday. I think Monday I'm going to come put my kayak in here and see if I can do a little fishing. So maybe there'll be a video about that. Anyway, check this park out. It's real nice. This is one of the reasons I came up here to hike today. I love this boardwalk. I used to come here all the time when I lived pretty close, and I really love this place. Since I used to come here, which was probably 15 years ago, they've redone this whole thing. As a matter of fact, I came up here about a month ago, and they had it closed because they were still working on it. But this walkway takes you on a pretty good hike. Now, you walk down here, and it turns to the right a little bit down there. But it keeps going straight across until you get to that island over there. And then there's a trail where you can walk through the woods on the island, so I'm heading that way. Look at this field of cattails. I mean, that is a lot of them. I don't know if any of you have ever tried it, but if you'll get the young shoots in the spring, they are delicious on a salad. Okay, now we'll get on a path heading through this wooded area. This is a really nice park. Well, this is going to be the end of this video. I've really done a lot of walking here, and I've taken a lot of pictures. Still practicing and learning on this camera. I think I got a couple of pretty good shots. I'm going to tell you, there were some pretty fields of flowers and stuff like that out through there. I'm going to put the shots up. Hope you enjoy it. Hopefully next video I'll be in that kayak with my training wheels. Adios.